bedroom is a hot mess. But I am one domesticated diva, if you haven't seen here on my apron, and I like things really tidy. I gotta have a certain order for things, you know. I like to have the pillows put in the right way, and the bedspread, and the quilts, and the furniture displayed, and just something so it looks nice and neat and organized. And I just can't stand when things are looking a hot mess such as this. I mean, I'm sure it just bothers you as well. Oh, golly, what are some things? Just bedrooms. Oh, gosh, they need to be organized. What else? If my office is a clutter, I can't even mess with that. When people's writing is messed up and it's not in a sequence or order, I can't even deal. I mean, could you imagine reading a story that didn't have a sequence or an order? Like, that would just be out of this world, now wouldn't it? Sometimes I have specific places for things, and I know when I read, there's some certain transition words and some signal words that help me to figure out the correct order of the events. I'm sure you've heard of the basic ones, such as, you know, first, next, last, and those sort of things. Have you heard of any other sequence order terms? Could you tell them to me? Well, okay. Additionally, in conclusion, in the beginning, all of those are great. And you know what it does for us, for the readers? It helps us figure out what order of events is happening in the story. And it just, it makes my heart jump for joy when I see those signal words, because it helps me remember a correct sequence. And I told you, I'm Susie, I'm all about order, I'm all about structure. I gotta have that certain sequence. And I'm sorry to bother you, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I got to get, my son's calling, and I got to get this room cleaned up. So I will talk to you later. Don't forget to put things in order, you hear?